So we will use one function og.size. Okay, sorry. So how many rows are there? 891. Now og.shape. Again it will also return same thing. Then another function og.length, or sorry, not like this, but length of og organization. So this will also return the same value. So for same thing, we are having three option: size, then shape, and that is inbuilt function. uh, if you want to know the unique values, okay, that how many unique values are there into particular column, then og dot unique function is there. So unique, that's it. So this is what we are getting. Okay, let's say if we try the length function, okay, then we will get total how many universities are having a course on Coursera platform. 154. Okay, so we can, if you want to store this unique value into the variable, okay, then here we can create one variable, okay, like this. Let's say v1 variable 1 equals to organization dot unique values. So we will have unique column values from this course. So clear with this? Okay, now let's try to go with some numerical column. Okay, so let's have a look at the numerical column, which numerical columns are available with us. So currently we are having course rating and let's say first column unnamed. So we will use course rating for next operation. So let's copy this column value, okay, and then let's get that column. Okay, so let's say course rating equals to data set of course rating. Clear with this? Okay, so let's display it once so we can have idea course. Now let's have some look at the more advanced feature or some more functions of you can say pandas. So cr column means course rating dot mean value. What is a mean? Mean means average. So what is the average course rating on Coursera course? 4.677. Okay, similarly cr dot mix, it will return the maximum value. Okay, what is the maximum rating? 5. Similarly we can have minimum value, cr dot mean. Okay, similarly we can have median value. Okay, similarly we can have standard deviation. Okay, now if you are not familiar with this mean, max, mean, median and standard deviation, then I would like you people to recommend some basic terminology of statistics. Okay, so in that you will get the detail about what is mean, what is max, what is mean, then what is median and what is standard deviation. Now if we want to get all the detail of column, okay, so let's say cr dot describe, then it will return us all the column, okay, that how many total counts are there into that column, then what is the mean value, then what is standard deviation, what is minimum value, okay, then what is maximum value. These are known as quartile range, okay, interquartile range, okay, so that we will discuss later on. So this is how you can say describe function will be helpful whenever we want to know the summary of any you can say column. Now let's try to use some non-numerical column. Let's say mm, excuse me, we want to know the summary of course organization. Okay, so let's try with the course organization. So all the values of let's say course organization is available in OG. Okay, so let's try to apply describe function on OG, so we can have idea OG dot describe. Okay, and let's execute it. So whenever we are trying to apply this describe function on non-numerical column, okay, so it will return us how many unique values are there. Okay, which is the top value and what is the frequency. Okay, so what is meaning of this top value? So let's have look at the previously executed code. So top value means the uh, value which has occurred maximum number of time. Okay, so that is University of Pennsylvania. And how many different courses are offered by this university? That is 59. So clear with this? So if we apply describe function on any non-numerical column, then what will happen? It will return us that how many values are there, how many unique values are there, and what is the value that has occurred maximum number of time into the list. Now if you want to know the distribution of data, okay, then we are having a quintile option. Okay, so let me tell you that how it will be helpful. So uh, course rating means all the course rating are stored into the CR. Then we are having quintile function. So CR dot quintile. Okay, and then we will specify the quintile range. Okay, so let's say I want to know the distribution 0 means 0.0, then 0.25, then 0.50, 0.50, then 0. Let's say 75. Okay, let's try to execute it. Okay, so there is error, series object has no attribute quintile. So here actually here it is quantile. Yes, here it is. So if you want to know the distribution, okay, then starting value of this distribution means credit rating, it is 3.3. Okay, first range means up to 25 percentage, that value is 4.6. 25 to 50 means at center of this data set, middle value, if we sort all this, then it is 4.7. At 0.75 it will be 4.8. Okay, and at you can say 100 percentage it will be 5. Okay, why? Because minimum course rating, if you look at this, then minimum course rating is 3.3. Okay, the middle value is let's say 4.7. Okay, and then maximum value will be 5. So this is how quintile range or interquartile range can be used to get a particular value. Let's say if you want to know if you want to get the value which is at the 20 percentage here, then here you have to write only one value, that is 20. So let me show you by example. So you can get idea. Let's say 0.20, then we want to know the value with the interval of 10. So instead of 20, 30, then 40, then let's say 50, then let's say 60, then let's say 70, then let's say 80, then let's say 90. So here you can see. So as we are having a very small range of the value, okay, we will get the limited numbers. Okay, but if you will have you can say very large, or you can say varying data into the numerical category, okay, then you will get different value as per the data set distribution. So clear with this? Okay.